All right, trade one, Topstep combine. Looking for a short below the opening 30-minute range. So how do I make this bigger? And I want to add some levels here. Forget how to do it. Indicators. Here we go. Horizontal lines. I'm just marking off the first 30 minutes, high and low. We're just stuck in the range. So I'm thinking that this looks like an H pattern. If I zoom out to the 4 hour. You got a drop, dead cat bounce in the midst of rolling over. But I don't quite like the risk to reward right here in the middle of this 30-minute channel. So I'd like to see it come up a little bit, either break below and risk off of the low of range, or come up to 65.05 and just risk the high of range for a short. So until then, just waiting. And I should get some of these settings in line. Okay, time of sales, the DOM, auto center on last price. Oh, this is very nice. All right, so we do have a little bit of a tail on the low and a little bit of a tail on the high, but this is a little shorter. Let's see if we can break this range here. Although this might have overnight activity in it. I don't know if this is just the day session, the RTH session, or everything since yesterday. It looks like it wants to go. I don't really want to risk off the channel high. 6,500 might be an okay place. This 30-minute doesn't close for another 14 minutes. Let's see. I don't know, maybe it holds and we rip. Ah, there it is. There's the break. All right, candle's got to close below it. I think I like the idea of, if the candle closes below, actually risking off the 6,500. Just in case we come back and wick through this. And if this gets rejected, I'd definitely be willing to long to channel high. Two minutes. 2 minutes on candle, 1 minute on candle close. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's see what we get here. All right, we got to close below.
Order filled.
Short. I don't know how to. Is that my stop? Okay, I'm going to give this a little bit of room because I haven't traded on this in a while. So reverse position, close position. So what I'm thinking right now is a flush below. But if we come back into range, I'd like to long to the top of range. So I don't want to spend too much money on this trade if it goes wrong. All right, how can I know what that, does it tell me my entry? I'm looking around for my short. Oh, I can see it right here. So that would be 5 points and a tick. Oh, it just says it right here. So $262 if it doesn't work. And I think on the downside, I think we can get to here. Oh, maybe we're rejecting. All right, if this closes, I'm going to cut it. And go long. At trade location, my location was very poor. I like the idea, and it's not working, but I just got in so low. I shorted a low, so it's just not really good location. All right, one more minute. Let's see what the small time frame looks like. Came back through, but it's rejecting. I don't know. I don't really like the looks of this. Would have rather seen this candle for the short. I would have rather seen it either wick here or the body not get through the lower range. See, now it's acting like support. So I might reverse this here. See what the bigger time frames look like. That looks okay. And this candle closes in 5 minutes. Yeah, it might close right there. Okay.
Order filled.
Switching long. That one did not work. So gotta stop. Sell. Is this 2? Or can I see my entry? I don't know what this means. I don't know if this is trade 2. I can't move it. Okay. All right, so the shorts, like I just was, the shorts are wrong here. So now they have to cover. And now I'm looking at high of range. Yep. Nice. I'm just gonna take this if I get it. That's so fast. Because we could just chop the range the rest of the day. And I'm along at the low of the range, which is nice. But if I can get a good win on the day, I'll take it. Let's see what's going on in the 2 minute. for a little breakout here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I actually think we can break the range. Let's go here. Yeah, I like that. Very, very nuanced, but we got a little low volume node here. This looks like it could break. All right, risk-free trade. Down 218 on the day. Open PL 650. Come on. Starting to hesitate a little bit. See if I can just get a quick fill. Let's see it.
Order filled.
Nice, very nice. Oh, I still have them.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
All right, I don't know what that did. So I think what I just did was I should have hit close position because reverse put me into a short, which lost a little bit. All right, trade recap. So I was short. I'll zoom back out. First 30 minutes go by, mark off the high and the low. I thought this looked like a dead cat bounce. This is the 4 hour down bouncing, and maybe it still is, but I thought it was going to, I thought there was, the chances were good that it rolls, breaks below the 30-minute low, and then yeah, maybe it comes down to 64.70. That didn't happen. The 30-minute low got rejected, look below and fail. So then I got long, targeting the high of the channel, which is about where we're at right now. I got in 2 contracts somehow, so I'm gonna have to look back at what I did to do that. It worked out, but in the future, I would definitely want to figure out what happened there. And then I hit reverse position to close out. And what that did was that not only closed my long, but it flipped me short. So then I closed that instantly. So for next time, I need to use closed position rather than reverse position. But this is a good start. This is day 1. Trading on Topstep. I haven't traded futures in a very long time. So I'm happy with a win. The daily P&L is 463.80, and I'm just going to call it there.